Hi guys, welcome. Today we're heading to a supercar event called Icons by the Lake at Virginia Water, and look what we've got here, the Lamborghini Aventador SV on the motorway. A Porsche GT3 RS.
It's seen through the glass.
We've got a Nissan GTR, oh, and another one. Does look good in baby blue. Ferrari's hardcore version of the 430, the 430 Scuderia. Here we've got an MSO Mclaren 675 LT Coupe, finished in a lovely light blue colour with the orange accents. Here is a Lamborghini Gallardo Bicolore edition. This is the brand new facelifted Nissan GTR. This is the incredible one-off Koenigsegg RS Naraya edition. We actually have a separate video on this, so if you want to see more on this car, go check that out. Here is the very famous Shmeemobile owned by Shmee150, McLaren 675 LT Spider finished in Orion purple. Looks really nice with the silver. Here we have an Aston Martin Vantage GT8. This is Aston Martin's most extreme V8 Vantage, and it comes in either a choice of manual gearbox or a semi-automatic. Here is a McLaren 570S. A Lamborghini Murcielago LP640, nice plate as well. Ever since the Aventador came out, you don't see as many of these anymore. Not just a normal Maserati Gran Turismo, this is an MC Stradale, one of the best sounding cars in my opinion. A Ferrari 458 Speciale. Here's a Lamborghini Huracan with some pretty cool wheels. In front of it is another Gallardo Bicolore edition. Here we have a Lamborghini Aventador SV. The spec on this is very similar to the LA muscle car underneath the wrap. This is a Ford GT. The new Ford GT comes out very soon, so we're looking forward to that. This was definitely one of the maddest cars at the event. Just look at the size of the rear wing. This is the new SRT Viper ACR, and it looks incredible. This is a Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale, finished in a pretty rare colour. It's the hardcore and much more extreme version of the Ferrari 360. When comparing with modern supercars, this is not the quickest anymore, but it sure does sound good. Just listen to this. Here is another McLaren 675 LT Spider. McLaren have done really well on this car with the exhaust sound. Before the 650S and the 12C, they didn't quite have the sound this car makes. This is the newest Audi R8, which shares many features including the engine from the Huracan, so as you can hear it sounds very similar. So this Ferrari 458 Speciale is not standard. It's fitted with a frequency intelligent exhaust, making it sound absolutely brutal. My ears are still ringing from that thing, but what a lovely spec with the white and gold, looks amazing. Here's a Mclaren 688 HS. Here is a very heavily modified Nissan GTR. I'm sure it's seriously powerful.